Guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is my son Michael. And this is our kitchen. And look at Ginger trying to suck up whatever. Ginger, you doing your Jane Fonda stretches, Mama? Come here. No, I can't pet you, but you get. Oh, Mama's gonna get those nails cut. I know. She looks like a witch, right? The other one too. But anyway, me and Mike, I'm just getting a little bit. See, a little droppy drop. A little piece of coffee. And Michael and I decided to make a pizza, but what we did was they have these in the supermarket, right? And they're $1.99. Now it says here that before you make the pizza, you gotta take this and leave it outside for half hour or so. It's been outside for like 35, 40 minutes. And it also says that you gotta take a pizza pan wherever you're gonna make the pizza and stretch it out and put grease on it, you know? So we already have that with grease. Oh, look at that. Wow, Michael, right, Mike? And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this out. And see? We're gonna stretch it. Because it's already been, right, Mike?
It's already been kneaded.
Do we have a roller pin? Yeah, I think. I wanna make it like all the way. You know, it's gonna be real nice and thin, Mike. What do you think?
Yeah, I actually know how to knead that.
Okay, hold on a second.
I worked in a couple
already
pizza
is.
places.
So what I'm gonna do
Or
now
stretch it out, I
is-
mean.
Yes, exactly. Oh, sorry guys. That was some, I have tons of like cooking pans, and some of them fell from there. So what we're gonna do is, I wanna roll it out. See? We gotta roll it out as much as we can. Yes or no, Mike? So if it goes like that there, all you do is, you know what I'm saying? Exactly. Patch it up with your fingers. And there's the mozzarella cheese that we're gonna use, and we're gonna use that marinara sauce that is there. And it says that we gotta put it in the oven for 18
30 minutes.
to 22 minutes, right, Mike?
30 minutes.
I think 30 minutes. Well, let's see.
It says 30 minutes.
We have one of these home oven, and some of them
Might be a little longer.
Yeah, they have
35
like
minutes.
different. Exactly.
Depending.
So I'm just gonna try it and make
That's
as
perfect,
round as
Mom.
I can. You think?
Yeah. You don't want to
Hold
stretch
on.
it out too much because then the dough, I worked in a pizza place, guys, the dough will be too thin and it'll start breaking apart. And if you make it too thick, then it's not going to become crispy enough, guys.
Well,
So just
there's-
make
I
sure
know.
you remember that.
So I'm just, you know, like this with my fingers, see? The edges, so we can spread it out a little.
Make
So I
sure you
think
get rid of
that's
those
fine,
air
right, Mike?
bubbles. Pat out those air bubbles. Yeah,
think-
you don't want those popping up when you're cooking the pizza.
There you go.
Yeah. Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's not that roundy round, guys.
No,
but,
that's
you know,
perfect. It's first of all, it's
that's
homemade.
perfect. So what we're gonna do is, oh, can you open this for me? I'll hold the phone.
Oh, okay.
Let me hold the phone.
Hold it right there.
Okay, right there. I'm
Oh, but
holding.
get your thumb out of there, like that.
Okay, like that.
Okay.
Go ahead. Open that for Mom. Come on, Michael. We need all your. Here, hold it there, and let me get one of these here. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put sauce
Ooh,
like
look
this.
at that. That's right.
This is marinara spicy sauce.
That's right. To be a little
from
spicy.
Barilla.
But we love spicy in this
See?
house.
So spicy marinara,
That's
which
right.
that's the sauce that actually you put in pizza, isn't it, Mike?
I can smell it from here. Wow. It's very seasoned.
I'm just gonna lick a little bit of that sauce. I'm hungry.
Yeah. You
So
gotta make sure
hungry.
you put it 2 inches away from the crust when you're spreading the sauce.
I know that's good like that, right?
Like that right there is a no-no.
It's okay.
Right there, everybody.
It's okay, but it's a little bit, but it doesn't matter, you know. So now I'm gonna put cheese on that. Yep.
That's
Put
perfect.
Chunks of cheese.
Look
We're
at
gonna throw it in the oven. We're gonna cook it, and then let's see what happened. Like I said, guys, the dough was only $1.99, and it came in this bag. It says Primo Taglio. You see, that's the brand name. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a lot of cheese here, right, Mike? So my son and my husband and my boys will tell me how good this pizza is. I have him on a diet, but it's Friday, so on Fridays I let him have a little slice of pizza or a little corn cake. You know what I'm saying?
Little sauce right
a
there.
little something. Oh,
Right there,
no.
right there.
So I'm gonna. Is
Yeah.
that good? You want me to put a little bit more cheese?
No, that's perfect, actually.
That's perfect like that?
Well, it's like a wood fire oven pizza.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, let me just take whatever's on the edges like this. And this is going in the oven, guys. Oh, and it also says that after I do that, to make sure that the edges, we oil them like this. See? We put a little bit of oil. I know it's not the perfect round pizza, but it's a pizza.
Well, we don't have a
here
pizza stone. We
It's
don't have a
going
pizza
in the oven.
stone.
No. We're going to put it in the oven. It says 18 to 22 minutes, Michael.
30 minutes, Mom.
You want to do the 30? So what we're going to do, Michael and I, we're going to do the timer. 4, 5, 10, 15, 27, 28, 29, 30 stars. So there you go. The pizza is starting to cook. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow us and like us like you always do. And we'll be right back in exactly 29 minutes and 49 seconds and counting. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, sorry, I was just eating a little bit of plátano like that. You see me cooking that stuff? And right now we're taking our pizza off. Move, Michael. That's very hot. I don't like the dogs when they're in the front. They scare me. You know? So I'm gonna
Wow, that smells good.
That's our pizza that we made. That cost us $2 for the dough, guys. Right, Mike?
Wow.
And $2 for the marinara sauce. And we had cheese in the fridge. So more or less, we can get like a whole bunch of dough. And like for like $10, you can make like 4 or 5 pies. So what you gotta do, guys, go to your nearest supermarket. Sometimes it's not in one, but sometimes it's in the other. But go in the frozen section or where they have the pizzas and stuff and get your dough. They're usually $1.99. Sometimes they put it down for $1.49, which is very, very cheap. Are you eating up? Oh, look at the plátano over there. So I'm going to do now, guys. Cut it and give my husband his piece. Michael, how do you like that?
Looks real
Looks
good.
really nice. And it's fresh.
Already
it's not
took pictures.
frozen. I mean, you can see the bread, how good it cooked. Look. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, halfway to your cooking, I just slide this out and let the piece out there, okay, guys?
That's right.
So it can finish cooking. You see, nice and crispy in
That's
the bottom.
right.
So it could do that. Hold on, Michael. Let me take these plátanos out.
You know what pizza's done? When the bottom of it is brown
Yep.
and crispy.
Yep.
A pizza man told me that once. A wise pizza man. I don't want to
What he
say.
said to you?
He told me if a pizza is not
Get out of
brown
there,
on the
guys.
bottom, it's not done.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut now.
Go
Hey,
ahead.
guys.
The moment of truth. Hear that crisp? You gotta hear that crisp when you cut it, guys.
Look at that, Mike.
Oh yeah.
I know you and your father gonna like. I don't know why your brother Junior doesn't want any.
You know how he is. He's junior. Look at that, everybody. Oh yeah.
But you don't see pizzas like this when they make them with all that cheese.
Nope.
But look at that. Look at that.
They
Should
kind
I
of like put
cut a
less
little bit
cheese
more?
and more sauce. Usually.
Exactly.
Like
Yeah.
they put a lot of sauce, but they'll never put a lot of cheese. You gotta ask for it. Extra cheese, please. Don't burn yourself.
I'm not. Just hold this. Okay. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give your father a couple of slices. All I can do, guys, is lick my finger. Sorry, guys. Let me take my plátanos out real quick. I know it's pizza time, but I was making these tostones here for me. But I'm going to tell you what I wish I can have some of that, Michael. You don't even want to know about it.
I know, look
Because
at the
it
smoke.
smells so good. Look at that. So what do you think? Should I give that one? It's very, very well,
Whatever is
guys.
more crispy.
That's why.
He likes the crispiest, guys.
I'm going to give him that
Look at the
one.
smoke coming off
This
that.
one we still got to
I
cut.
will never, ever buy
I'm
a
gonna
frozen
give
pizza again.
See how I'm grabbing them? So this is what I'm gonna give my husband. He's gonna love that. Let me get him a fork. And you guys know what to do. Subscribe and like us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Google Plus, on Pinterest, on what else?
Patreon.
Patreon is actually for you guys to donate $1, $2, $5, 10, 20, 50, whatever you want. You can go down below on the link, click on it, and go there and donate some money for us so we can keep on doing these delicious videos. And this, guys, I wish, I'm telling you right now, that I could just, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna have Michael, before I go take this to my husband, have a little, that little cheese, Michael, if you can eat it. Give me that phone.
I got it.
And I'll put it around. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Oh, you dropped some, Michael. How'd that taste? I'm gonna taste a little bit.
It's too good.
Unbelievable. So I'm gonna bring this to my husband. And with that, I'll let you guys go. Don't drink and drive. It's Friday, February the 15th. So I love you all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being there for us and supporting. Love you all. Don't drink and drive again. And be good.